I'm Tommy Watts, I'm from Wairoa, New Zealand. Born and raised motocross in the district my whole life. So I got a bike when I was about 4 or 5 years old, and Dad said he was going to teach me how to ride it. We got riding and got me into it, started training me in a little paddock, and yeah, like we would just ride on the farm, and if it'd be a rainy day, he wouldn't push me or anything. He would just he'd go up there and I'd have to go up on the track behind him, you know, like if I got up there, I'd have to turn around and go home. It was probably one of my biggest dreams when I was a little kid, you know. Just watching everyone, watching Josh Coppins, you know, who's quite a big person in the sport, and watching him, and then just dreaming about maybe one day being able to get a junior title. Last year I went down south to a place called Mosgiel. They had the 2018 Junior Motocross Nationals down there, and yeah, I managed to come home with the junior title, so I was pretty stoked about that. So racing really is just for the, like, I don't know, I just get a good thrill out of it, you know, like all the time you put in during the week and you get such a good result or something on the weekend, you know, that's what makes you go to work that next week, you know. Oh, well, I just want my job to be something evolved around motocross or two wheels, you know. It's like, I love this, love riding my bike, and I wouldn't change it for anything else, really. I like helping little kids progress and feel better on their bike, you know, and I try to do my best to help them, and I just try to help them as much as I can. And I know I'm not like the best of riders, you know, I'm not over in America at the moment, but that's the goal, and head over there to the big smoke, yeah. Wairoa is special to me because I've been brought up here my whole life, you know, and my grandparents live in Wairoa, my mum and dad obviously live in Wairoa. So yeah, I've been here my whole life, and it's just such a good place, you know, such good people. The community's quite close, and you know, we all get together, and at Christmas time we're all like a big family, you know. Well, yeah, I'd just like to thank my mum and dad, you know, everything they do for me. They've put in, you know, a lot of time and effort. Dad just works in the shed on my bikes, and mum's cleaning my gear, cooking, getting the food ready for the weekend, and just, yeah, they'll just, you know, drop anything and just help me, you know. It's like, it's so massive, and I appreciate everything they do for me. And